Are you a new vegetable gardener looking for essential tools? Then you've come to the right place. As we dive into the world of vegetable gardening, it's crucial to understand that the right tools can make all the difference. With the right tools, your gardening experience can go from strenuous to enjoyable, and from time-consuming to efficient. Having the correct equipment is the first step in cultivating a successful vegetable garden. Stay tuned as we delve into the must-have tools for any vegetable gardener. Gardening requires more than just a green thumb, it needs the right tools. Let's dive into some of the essential tools that every gardener needs in their arsenal. First up is the garden trowel. This handheld tool, with its pointed, scoop-shaped metal blade and sturdy handle, is your best friend when it comes to planting seedlings or bulbs. It's also great for weeding or transferring small plants. Just thrust the trowel into the soil, twist it, and voila, you've created the perfect hole for your plants. Coming up next is the garden fork. Sometimes the soil can get a bit stubborn, and that's when the garden fork steps in. With its sturdy prongs, it's perfect for loosening up hard soil or turning compost. Think of it as a mini pitchfork, breaking and making for your plant's roots to spread. Our third and fourth essential tools are the gardening gloves and knee pad. As we bring up this image of the glove, you'll see that these aren't just ordinary gloves. They are essential for protecting your hands while working with soil and plants, keeping your hands clean and shielded from potential scrapes or cuts. Every gardener should have a pair in their toolbox. Then we have the knee pad. When we show you this picture, you'll realize just how valuable it is, especially if you spend long periods kneeling down in the garden. Trust us, your knees will thank you. It provides comfort and protection during those grueling hours of planting and weeding. Moving on to the fifth tool in our lineup, we have the pruning shears. This tool is all about control. It allows you to shape your plants, remove dead or overgrown branches, and even harvest your vegetables when the time comes. Its sharp blades make quick work of most green stems and small branches, ensuring your garden always looks neat and tidy. These are the basic essentials, but we are just getting started. There's more to uncover in the world of gardening tools. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore more tools to enhance your gardening experience. Our next essential tool is the watering can. This staple of gardening is key for providing hydration to your plants. It allows you to control the amount of water you give to each plant, ensuring they get just the right amount. Remember, too much water can be as harmful as too little, and for those hard-to-reach plants, a long-spouted watering can will be your best friend. Next up is the wheelbarrow. This handy tool simplifies the transportation of soil, compost, and other heavy materials around your garden. It's designed to carry heavy loads with ease, saving you the backbreaking work of lugging things around. It's not just a tool, it's a gardener's best friend. Finally, let's talk about the garden hoe. This tool is used for soil cultivation. It can break up hard soil, weed around your plants, and help prepare the ground for new seeds. It's a versatile tool that makes maintaining a healthy and productive vegetable garden that much easier. Each of these tools plays a vital role in the gardening process. From hydrating your plants with the watering can, transporting materials with the wheelbarrow, to cultivating soil with the garden hoe. Remember, gardening isn't just about planting seeds and watching them grow. It's about using the right tools to nurture and care for your garden. With these tools, your gardening tasks become easier and more productive. Like any other tools, gardening tools need proper care and storage to last longer. After each use, clean them with a brush to remove soil and rinse with water. Dry them thoroughly to prevent rust. Regularly oil moving parts to keep them working smoothly. Store your tools in a dry, sheltered place, preferably hanging, to avoid dampness and damage. Don't forget to sharpen blades periodically for optimum performance. Remember, a well-kept tool makes for a happy garden. So there you have it, the essential tools for any new vegetable gardener. We've delved into spades, trowels, and rakes, each with their unique roles in preparing your garden. We've also touched on pruners and watering cans, vital for nurturing your plants. Remember, these tools aren't just functional, they're the key to a thriving vegetable garden. And don't forget about proper care and storage. It's crucial for longevity. With these tools in your shed, you're well equipped to kickstart your vegetable gardening journey. Happy gardening!